Joe, what are you doing? Well, I'm trying to write a story. You do know you're not actually writing anything. Yeah, I know. So... I'm trying to write a story, I just don't know what to do. Well, if you want, I can tell you. Oh, thank God you asked me that. When you're writing a story, you don't search for the ideas come to you. They come to you based off of who you are, what you've been through in life, and what you want to go through in life. Those ideas are perfect manifestations of your subconscious mind. You only witness those ideas in your mind, and then you record those ideas with words. All of that means that the creative process needs to be left alone. The person needs to be left to explore the mind and record anything that it comes up with. The story writing process doesn't just end there. We have to understand those ideas and put them in order to form a story that we can share with others. And that leads me onto the second part of the writing process. Labeling and organising. Extracting the symbolic meaning from those ideas. Once you have those ideas and you understand what's happening, you slap a label on it, and you do this with all of your scenes. Give each event a label. That's why it's important to know the archetypal story events. You can't label scenes if you don't know the labels. And so the archetypal story events, it goes something like what you'll find in the hero's journey. It's difficult to understand abstract thoughts and label them and put them into a template to write a story, and that's what I do with you guys over one-on-one and Zoom calls. But what if you want to do it yourself? How do you improve? Well, the creative process improves simply with practice, because it's playtime. It's playtime in your own head. You get better at playing in your own head the more you explore your imagination and practice. But the understanding and organising and labelling of those ideas improve through knowledge. You get better at being able to interpret the symbolic meaning from those subconscious manifestations that are the ideas. Without the understanding, we have no chance of organising those ideas into a structure to be able to write it, essentially allowing us to write the story that we always dream of writing. Understanding all of that, we understand a little bit more about our own minds and emotions along the way. So Joe, can you write a story now? Yes, thank you. I'm going to start now. Once there was a toad called Fred. The end. I'm Joe Webb, a storyteller. Learn to write fiction properly.